What's up, you guys? Kyle McFarman here today, and we're going to be going over how to grow mushrooms indoors within 10 days. Right? So what we're going over today is I got this kit from Back to the Roots. It's a great company. I've already grown their microgreens and stuff plenty of times. My first time trying their mushroom kits. These are super cool. I'm pretty sure my boys are going to think it's really awesome as well. So we're going to get into this is supposed to be the easiest way for you to grow mushrooms. And this one is pink oyster mushrooms. We're gonna go over the instructions and we're gonna see how this turns out. All right, so for the first day of having this kit, it looks like the only things that we're really gonna need is a bowl of water and some scissors just to cut this bag open. So let's take this, the instructions out. Comes with the instruction manual, super easy. Says to give them light, remove your kit's perforated panel, cut an X into the substrate bag. So I'm talking about this panel right here. Let's do it. All right, X is cut into the bag. Next step, lift up the plastic flaps. So we're gonna lift these up. And it says to use a fork to scrape away some of the white layer with a fork, so. All right, pretty easy. Scraped away some, it says it's all right if it's, you know what I mean, flaking a little bit. It's all set, comes with this little spray bottle. It's empty right now. It's gonna be for your water. Now, step 3, give them a bath, remove the bag from the box, and you're gonna soak it face down in your bowl of water for 6 to 10 hours. The bag will float, and don't worry if some of the substrate falls out. So let's get that going. All right, that's it. We're gonna check on this in 6 to 10 hours. And we're gonna get this thing. It says, make sure you find it a cozy home, shake off the excess water from the bag, find an indirect spot for sunlight. I already know I'm gonna be hanging it over here in this window, facing away from the window. And once we got the 6 to 10 hours, we'll check on it then. All right, it's been 10 hours. Now we're gonna drain this out. We're gonna put it back into the box. All right, we're back into the box. Damn, look at them cutie babies. All right, we're gonna hang this on our windowsill. Make sure that way it can open the window, get some airflow. It's getting indirect light, not from the front, and we'll check when we got some mushrooms. What's up, you guys? Finally been 10 days. It doesn't mean that it's exactly harvest day yet. You can grow these things roughly between 10 to 15 days and harvest as you want to eat them. As you can see, these look a lot darker because the more you put them in direct sunlight, the darker, more color they'll get. So I wanted to kind of test that theory. So what we did is I flipped these around on a very sunny day just to kind of see what would happen. And I actually did 2 of these boxes. These are regular oyster mushrooms, and I did not put these guys inside any direct light. So as you can see, these ones look really good. Started all at the same time. And these are just regular oyster mushrooms. You can see these ones have much bigger caps. So it has to do with temperature too. These can't be too cold, these can't be too hot. If they're cold, they grow really slow, which I feel like if we had a cold day, so these guys kind of stopped growing around day 10. It seems like the weather is a little bit warmer now. I'm still gonna keep these growing. Might harvest a couple of these today. Trust me, these are way bigger than they look, especially if you look at the ones underneath. These guys are huge. I think that it's still a really fun thing to do. It's a fun project. My kids are gonna think it's hilarious when we finally pick these things and eat them. We'll see if they actually will do it. Like it says right here, it says day 11 and 12 is your harvest, cook, and share. This is a good company. Remember, this is Back to the Roots. I'm gonna put a link in the description in case you guys wanna try this out. So a really cool thing that this company also does is they have their grow one, give one. So if you grow one of these, and if I tag them on my Instagram, Back to the Roots, which I will, I'll be tagging them in both, they'll actually donate one of these kits to a classroom of your choice. So that's also another awesome reason for you guys to go out, snag one of these. So what most people think is that this is it, you know what I mean? You grow these mushrooms, you pull them out of the bag, and you throw it away. But this is actually a 2-crop bag. What that means is I can actually harvest all these mushrooms, pull them off the front, and I can do the same process in the back where you soak that in water, you cut the X in it, and you should be able to get a second crop from the other side of the bag, which of course I'm gonna do because we're trying to get as much food as possible. So we're gonna do that. I'm probably not gonna do an update video on that. You guys could check out my Instagram. I'll probably put that on my Instagram, which is also Kyle McFarman. So I think that we had a good time growing these. I can't wait to try them and eat them. Thanks you guys for growing along. Kyle McFarman, you guys keep growing.